The bond auction certainly allayed some fears, because earlier this week the finance minister had said that he thought that at these prices to issue debts, the markets were effectively closing to Spain. And so what a relief to see high demand for this bond auction and better than expected rates. In a way, the investors were reassured. But the day finished with a downgrade from Fitch to BBB, which places Spain's sovereign debt a couple of notches above junk rating. And Fitch cited again fears over the banks and fears over the deteriorating debt crisis contagion from Greece. The investors are still worried about how the Eurozone debt crisis is evolving, and they would like to see the matter resolved one way or another. More and more people here in Spain think that Spain will need an outside rescue package for its banks. Some of those weak banks, of course, took on a lot of property debt during the good times, and now they have a lot of unsold houses or individuals that owe them money that won't be able to pay back. And the big question, as you mentioned, is really how much extra money will those banks need? And the Prime Minister, as you say, saying, listen, let's not put a figure on it yet. Let's wait for those outside auditors to come up with their numbers before we start bandying more numbers around. Of course, we've seen a lot of numbers at the moment, and Reuters was citing that IMF report as 40 billion euros. They think that when it comes out, it will be 40 billion euros, just to give you an idea of what we're talking about here.